Being the neighborhood expert doesn't mean you've sold 100 homes there. It means you understand what's happening locally. How many homes sold last month? Are prices rising or stabilizing? How long are homes staying on the market? The best place to get all this info? RPR's Neighborhood Report. From the homepage, research, neighborhood search, enter the neighborhood and select search. You can review your neighborhood insights, demographics, income levels, commute times, housing stats, and more. Here, or go straight to Create Report, Neighborhood Template. Customize your report cover, drag and drop to arrange the pages the way you want, add your own custom pages, and then download or share the report. Expertise isn't always about years in the business, it's about knowing your numbers. Once you understand what's happening in your neighborhood, now it's time to share that knowledge with homeowners using RPR's reports.